here at Mr. Smiley's. That'll be $4.98, please. Would you like some Smiley sauce?
No. Actually, I'd like to fill out an application.
There's no jobs for manager. It's just for counter.
Good. I'm looking for the least possible amount of responsibility. I have fast food experience.
Yeah, like 20 years ago.
Well, I'm sure there have been amazing technological advances in the industry, but surely you must have some sort of training program.
I'll have a double smiley sandwich, curly fries, and a vanilla shake.
Smile, you're at Mr. Smiley's. Would you like to try our new beef and cheese pot pie on a stick? Just $1.99 for a limited time only?
Buddy, this is my...
Her husband. But something tells me you're going to remember me this time.
You are so busted.
You know, this really doesn't concern you.
Janine is senior drive-thru manager, so this makes sense.
Lester, just stop it.
No, you don't get to tell me what to do ever again.